Okay, here's just a fast tip on the 1025R. Was having some issues with power going out, like lacking power when going uphill and pushing too heavy of a snow and stuff. So couldn't figure out what it was. Did some research, and it's an easy peasy fix for me anyway. It was. So just get in underneath the hood, and of course I knew this but hadn't done it. Problem was as simple as the filter. Your filter on the 1025R is this little thing right here. All you do is pull it straight up. Look at that. There's gunk on it. Just knock that off there. And it's actually the second time I've had to do that, because I did this the other day and it fixed it, and I just checked it again just now to make this video, and the gunk was on there again. There's nothing else down in there to get in it, so it's just getting in it by going up into the snow banks and so forth, as you can see here. And there's probably some stuff in it that's catching, getting on the filter, and it's causing it to not get proper air filtration. That just comes out easy peasy, goes right back in just as easy. Okay, so try that if you're having power issues. Doesn't have the get them up and go that it did. It could be that, or I tried with my last fills on diesel with red dye, and so I was thinking in my troubleshooting that it might have been caused by that as well. And so I switched back to regular diesel, a little more expensive. But, you know, either the filtration worked or not using the red dye kind of fixed the problem as well. So just try those easy steps before you take major steps to go have it fixed and get charged out the butt by the John Deere and or your mechanic. Got other issues with the 1025R where I might be having to trade up because it's just not powerful enough. More on that later. Might be going up to the 4 series, the 4044R. Don't know. Let's see if that works, because got all this land and the 1025R isn't quite cutting it. Check you out later.